my first video. Today I'm going to be building a modern mini mansion. So, you're here because you clicked on the video. Hi, I know you want to get straight to the building, but I just want to say a quick little thing before you watch the video. I did forget some things, and this is my first video. I'm still pretty new, just to figuring out how exactly YouTube works. I know enough, but I'd like to know more. So I'm still learning YouTube and Bloxburg. So no hate, please. I'm trying my best. But this is only my first video, so I'm gonna keep learning. So yeah. I did forget the bathroom, so sorry. But moving on. You can watch the video now. Bye.
In the future.
Peppa is at Susie Sheep's house this evening. Mummy Sheep and Mummy Pig are going out.
Don't worry, Mummy. We can look after the house while you're away.
That's very kind of you, Susie, but we have a special babysitter coming. That'll be her now. Hello, everyone.
Hello. It's my cousin, Charlotte.
Charlotte Sheep is the babysitter.
Hello, Charlotte. Thanks for coming.
We won't be out late.
You can watch TV, and I've made you some pizza.
Oh, thank you. You two be good.
We will.
Bye.
Bye-bye. How old are you, Charlotte?
I'm 17.
17? That's very grown up. You can do anything you like when you're grown up.
That's right. You can drive a car and even stay up late.
Wow.
In the future, when you're grown up, you'll be able to do that too.
Ooh.
But grown-ups also have to go to work, you know.
That sounds fun. Can we stay up late with you, Charlotte?
Sorry, it's your bedtime now.
Oh.
Night-night. Sleep well.
Night-night. Susie! Yes? Are you awake? Yes. I wish I was grown up. Me too. When we're grown up, we will be downstairs watching TV and eating pizza. Yes. And babysitting. And going to the cinema. And staying up all night. In the future, we will have a yellow car. No, blue. Yellow and blue. I'll drive. So will I. Daddy Dog will be a spaceman. Yes.
I'm off to space.
And George will be a dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
And Freddy Fox will be a policeman.
Hello. What's all this here then?
This is our grown-up car.
Can you beep your horn for me, please? Very good. Off you go then.
Bye. What will your job be?
I will be a nurse.
But in my lunch break, I will fly a plane.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are now flying all around the world.
What will your job be, Peppa? My job will be doing important work on my computer. We will live in a big house with fountains. And a swing. And I will marry Pedro. Or Danny. And I'll do that too. And we will live with all our friends.
Hello.
And all our children will be there.
But who will look after all these children?
We will. Bedtime, everybody. Time for your tea.
No football in the house.
Phew.
Mummy Pig and Mummy Sheep have arrived back home.
Hello.
Has everything been okay?
Yes, everything's been fine.
Hello? Are you two still awake?
Yes, Mummy. We've been thinking about the future. It's very tiring being a grown-up.
Yes, it is.
We need to get some rest.
Yes, you do. Good night, little ones.
Good night, grown-ups.
Peppa and Susie need a good night's rest to be ready for the future.